Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. And this particular video is also applicable and valid for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 users too. So in this particular video, we'll be going to see two different ways to boot into the bootloader mode or fast boot mode in Android Pie for both the sets. So before we jump into that, let me confirm you that this particular phone is already in Android Pie, and because most of the users are being Android Pie as of now, because Asus has not released Android 10 stable update till now. It's almost a year and so you can see Android 9, and as this is a Zenfone Max Pro M1 phone, that's why I'm using the most stable Pi version, that is 0.59, which is also being used by most of the custom ROM developers. So now we have to first power off our phone. Just tap on power off and shut down your phone. So once it will be properly shut down, just wait for 4 to 5 seconds, and just after that just press on power button and volume up button. So this is a first step, or I would say first way to boot into the fast boot mode. So once you will see that Android logo, just release the power button and keep on pressing volume up, and afterward you will be boot to the CSE fast boot mode or bootloader mode. So this was the first step, and if you have seen my previous video, if you have turned on the developer option, then afterward if you have moved to this particular part, then you can enable camera to API in Android Pie and do other things as well if you are familiar with fast boot commands and so on. Now let's move to the second step, or I would say second way of boot to the fast boot mode. So for that, firstly you have to turn off this phone by long pressing the power key. So it has successfully shut down again wait for 4 to 5 seconds. Once it will be completed, again this time you have to press power button and volume down key. Again the same procedure. Once you will see Android logo, just release the power key or power button, keep on pressing the volume down key until unless you move to the stock recovery mode. If you have earlier done the wipe cache partition, then you know that how the stock recovery mode works. So basically this is a text based UI, so you can't touch it. You have to use volume rocker buttons or power button to make the operations perform. So like we have to select reboot to bootloader, that is second option. We are almost on first option, that is reboot system now. So I'll be selecting reboot to bootloader, and afterward I'll be pressing power button. So by this way our phone will be booted and rebooted to the fast boot mode, or I would say bootloader mode. So now we have seen that how using two different modes we can boot to the bootloader mode. And again this is applicable for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and M2 both. So let me power off the device again. So using this we have also now returned from the fast boot mode, and we can turn on our phone. So this was all from my side related to how to successfully boot in to the bootloader mode or fast boot mode using two different ways in Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 and M2. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.